Hey you guys, this is Rebecca with EveryDay RAE'S, Journey of a Woman, and I just wanted to show you, this is the back side of the marriage gift craft on Vlog 2. And I kind of go out here in the light a little bit where you can see. It didn't turn out quite like I really wanted it to, but I just hope that they like it as I'll fly. I kind of gave this side a really rough look, and all I did basically was use apple bottom acrylic paints, and I used the dark deep blue, and I used a metallic silver, I used a white, I used a little bit of a black, as you can see in here, and I just kind of blended. Oh, and I used a little bit of an orange, and I just kind of blended everything together, kind of, to make these, you know, like these little lines, so to speak. And then basically I just took letter stencils that you can get from any dollar store, pretty much, and I just stenciled on the letters, and I used a couple different colors for that as well. And then I took some burlap, some decorative burlap, and basically I just Mod Podged it on here. So it just sticks on here very well. And then you flip it over and you'll see the finished side on the back side. Pretty much the same colors of the paints, except I have metallic silver on this side. And then get it out here where you can see, and you know, as you can see, if I go like this, maybe, yep, just like that, you can see the, like a pattern on it. And now all that is I used Mod Podge, however, and you can see the pattern there. And then I did the same thing on the other side. I'm trying to get it here, so bear with me. But I'm trying to get it and see if this side you can see. I don't know if you'll be able to see on this side or not. Nah, maybe not. But you can see the Mod Podge on it, and that basically is just sealing it. Yeah, right there you can see. See that? It's kind of got a little design on it too with the Mod Podge. But that pretty much covers the marriage gift craft vlog 2. I'm sorry I didn't have much time to actually go over everything with you. It's pretty simple though. Basically, you get a board, you put your own design on it, put your own background paint on it, whatever you want to use. You just kind of like figure it out for yourself as you go along. So, thank you for watching EveryDay RAE'S with Rebecca, which is me, Journey of a Woman, and I really hope that you really like this. I'll see you guys on the next video.